Clawmetry is a real-time observability dashboard for OpenClaw. It lets you know what your agents are doing. When your OpenClaw agents spawn sub-agents, they burn tokens, they call multiple tools, they open browser and click on a bunch of things which you currently don't have visibility when you're just chatting with Telegram. So Clawmetry brings that visibility. It's simple to install. You just run the skull command and you have it installed. You get the open source version running, and also you can do it pip install Clawmetry. You get it working. And in terms of what you get out of the product is a visual representation of OpenClaw. You get to see like how the entire setup is flowing. When you send a message, you immediately see it going via Telegram or iMessage or WhatsApp, whatever you have configured, through your gateway and then through the LLM. And then whatever it does, like actions, like maybe it's executing something, or it's calling something on web, or it's searching on the internet, or it's writing or reading a memory file, or doing something on the system or a network, or maybe accessing another node in your system, in your network. So you will see a packet going to here. So that visibility you get in one shot. And overview is you get to see slightly more things, like whenever there are sub agents, you can see the sub agents that are spawning. You can so this is a sub agent where you can go and see what is happening in each of them. When it completes, you get to see a summary of it. And also you get to see all the crons that are running in your OpenClaw. If there are any issues, we have a button to fix it as well, so that it just tells back OpenClaw to fix that issue. And also you can see all the memory files, and there's currently not an edit option, but there will be soon an edit option as well to edit the memory files as well. So that's broadly the open source version. We also have a cloud version where you can you are not limited by the local area network. Like if you install the open source version, you can access it only within your LAN. I mean, personally, I wish to have like a cloud version where like I could access it from my phone when I'm outside home to monitor what my AI agents are doing. So that's this. We take security and like encryption at a high standard, so you can access it remotely. It's end-to-end encrypted. So there's a secret token generated locally in your machine, and that is used to encrypt all the data that is sent to the cloud. And the browser needs this end-to-end token, the secret key, to decrypt and display the messages out there that you see. And you can have multiple nodes. You're not limited by one node. You can have, like, say, if you have 5 Mac minis or like 10 Mac minis, you can just add them and you will see a cluster of them and see visually like everything happening in one go. So these are the two commands. Like basically the same install command, you just call the connect and it's gonna connect. And let's get started. Let me just sign up for a demo account. Clawmetry.com, create account, and I should get an OTP. Here it is, 341791. And yeah, so here are the commands. So I need to run this command to install Clawmetry. And I let me just show you something. So I can actually run my local server if I don't want the cloud one. Say I can run it at 8902, whichever port I wish to. I can open this, and it's gonna ask me the gateway token. So I have my gateway token. Okay, to get my gateway token, I need to do OpenClaw dashboard and hit enter. So I will get my gateway token here, and I'm gonna put it here and log in. So I can log in and see what is happening locally. I don't send any data anywhere. It's all local. And I get to see what my AI is thinking. I can see all the tool calls, all the code it is writing. So whenever we send a message, it also writes code to do things. And you can see everything it is doing. And yeah, also the token cost that being spent, tokens that are burnt, and all the memory files that you have. And so let me also quickly show the cloud version as well. So now, given that you want to also sync it to the cloud and access it remotely, you can do this. And you need to keep hold of this password or the secret key. click on open dashboard and click on view details. So it's going to ask you the first time the password or the secret key that you have, because it's end-to-end encrypted. So yeah, I mean, the cloud doesn't know what data you have. You can, once you put your key here, it's gonna decrypt in the browser. It's just gonna decrypt in the browser, and you can store it for 30 days if you wish to. And you can click on unlock, and say you can go to the brain, and you can again see the same view what we saw on the local one. So now you are seeing it on the cloud one. You can access it from anywhere. The same thing. That's what the cloud version offers. So more features will come on the cloud version. So you don't have to keep it updated, but yeah, you will have more updates coming regularly as well. Yeah, so that's about Clawmetry. Yeah, enjoy it. Thank you.